We can cry when it's over. We can cry when it's over. We can cry when it's over. We can cry when it's over.
We're going on a Disney cruise! Hello, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new around here, my name is Olivia, and I have the best news ever. We are going on a Disney cruise, about to leave actually to the airport. We switched things up a little bit on this trip, and we're actually doing like the last flight out of the airport. Usually we're the first flight out. So Riley and I are going ahead and get our bags and head to the airport. We'll bring you guys along for all of this. Today's gonna be a little bit different of a travel day because we're heading down to Fort Lauderdale instead of Orlando. Orlando, our tried and true, our amazing Disney World, but this is also Disney, just Disney cruise. Very excited to start this vlog series, do another Disney cruise, have so much fun, make amazing memories. So let's go ahead and head to the airport. Riley, you ready?
I'm ready. Are you ready? Come on, here we go.
Woo! Let's go. And he's gone. On our way. Riley's getting our luggage out of the car, just made it into the parking garage. We've actually never parked in the parking garage here at the Indianapolis airport. We've always parked in the economy lot, so upgrades for this trip. Since it's just a short trip, we decided it'd be worth it to park in the garage. So it should be kind of nice going into the airport. It will save us a lot of time, but our flight is a little bit delayed, unfortunately. It's delayed only about an hour, so even though it's a late flight, it's about to be a later flight. Not technically a red eye, but especially because it's only 2 hours, but originally it's supposed to board at 8:45 and now it's more like 9:45. That's all right. We'll get there when we get there, as long as we get there, right?
I've never parked in the garage before, so this is a new and fun experience. So we'll tell you guys if it's worth it.
Yeah, worth the price, because it is definitely a pretty penny for sure. I'm vlogging in the airport here, which everyone's just chilling because most flights are delayed. I don't know the reasoning why specifically, but we're gonna look for food. Yeah,
so we're just ready to go.
And we're gonna look for food and see how it is. But either way, we have like 3 hours till our flight board, so we have quite a bit of time, honestly.
We do.
And so we'll update you on what we get for dinner. But we got time, guys. Time to get down to Disney. Well, I keep saying Disney. Guys, this is my normal routine, right? To get down to Fort Lauderdale for a Disney cruise still, though.
There you go.
I got the filet mignon sliders with like a horseradish sauce on the side, and then Riley got some kind of steak burger. Yeah, it looks really, really good. We have this place back in our hometown, and it's so, so good. This food has been so, so good. A nice pick-me-up before our flight for sure. Riley gave a thumbs up and a chirp chirp from our college. That's like the saying on Riley's shirt. And we're just reminiscing about how much we love the airport, how much we love traveling, and very ready to get on the plane. Riley and I decided to walk around the airport here and see what's up. So we're going over to the other terminal, and then we'll back over this terminal because we still have like 2 hours left. So it'll be a minute.
A lot of waiting time. A lot of waiting. Guys, this is so cool. We're in Concourse A. We're normally on B, so we've never been over here. So this is a whole new experience for us. We might be over here on an upcoming next trip.
Secret trip, secret trip. So our original flight was supposed to board at 8:45, and then they moved it to 9:56. But then we just got an update that it is going to board at 9:10. So a little bit better. So we have like 11 minutes. So instead of like an hour late, it's like, you know, less than a half an hour. So very happy about that, and we'll be able to make it to our hotel. I did call them to let them know we're definitely going to be late, but we'll see how it goes, and just ready to get down there. You know, as long as we get down there, that's all that matters. literally a yacht. This is on the marina. And so there's like, I think like 30 something yacht docks like all around it. I know the reflection's a little harsh, but you guys can probably see the downtown area back there and how gorgeous this is. This is so nice. You can also see my reflection, but so pretty. 618. Here it is. I have the card.
False.
Oh, Riley told me it was that one. And it's not.
I'm so slap happy right now.
We're here. We can finally go to sleep. Oh, this is really nice. Let's turn down this AC. Oh my gosh, it was like at 74. 68. Yeah. Before I give you guys a quick room tour, you have to see this view. So this is facing out to the docks there. So Port Everglades is literally right behind this big building. Like all those are the ports. So we do have a port view. So this is definitely an upgrade. Look how gorgeous this is. Wow. Nice view for sure. So we definitely might be able to see the ships that are docked there in the morning. So we'll see. Obviously they're not here now because it's the middle of the night, but we'll see about it then. So coming off the main door here, we have a really, really, really pretty shower. And if you turn around here, almost kind of like a Disney mirror. Very light, very airy. Love it. Very, very good lighting. And then coming around here, Riley's chilling on the couch. You can see the king bed. Very pretty with 2 light fixtures and nightstands on each side. A nice chair. And of course, the nice couch with a nice table. And a little ledge there, lighting. And, you know, lots of drawers, storage space. And a mirror. So this kind of has all the Disney essentials too, I would say. And of course, the amazing view. Like, I cannot get over this view. It's definitely an upgrade for sure, because when I booked the room, I just booked a standard king bedroom, and you had to pay an upcharge if you wanted to be port facing, like it's their upgraded view, and I did not pay for that. So very thankful for that. I definitely did not expect this, but I think that might be the end of the vlog, guys, because we're getting on the Disney Dream. Gonna go to bed because our flight was delayed due to air traffic control. They have like understaffing with that right now, and Florida air traffic control wasn't able to take in as many flights coming in, so that kind of delayed us a little bit. Originally it was supposed to be like an hour and a half.
So, which was awesome. We got here sooner than expected.
Yeah, exactly.
We're very happy.
I'm talking to Riley over here. Yes, very happy we got here. It did take a second to get our Uber, but our Uber was absolutely amazing. It was in a Cadillac Escalade. So nice. It was such a good experience. Very thankful that we're here. That's all we really wanted, was just to get here and to be here tomorrow for the Disney Dream. Make sure to subscribe to see my next vlog, which will be embarking on the Disney Dream. And of course, for future Disney content, Disney cruise, all the things. And I will see you guys soon on the Disney Dream. Bye.
We can cry when it's over.